Face diet no line. Get rid of forehead wrinkles. 1. Use fingers of both hands kneading circular around the forehead. Repeat 3 times. Two. Place the fingers of both hands to temples. Exert fingertips left hand horizontally to the right. Switch hands to do the same. Repeat 5 times. Three. Fingers apply from under the brow to hairline. From left eyebrow, right eyebrow. Repeat 30 times. Four. Use the middle finger and ring finger on the wrinkles on the forehead. Hold tight gently. Repeat 30 times. Five. Use fingertips. Apply above the eyebrows to the forehead, head top to rear head. Repeat 20 times. I hope this video has been helpful, and you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And like and comment below.